G'day, this is Simon from the Bracketeer at South OC Cars and Coffee. Great morning here in Southern California. Overcast, which is great for photography, and a little bit quieter, which we like as well. Hey, a big welcome to some new sponsors this week. We've got the guys from Share. Think of Share as, I guess, Airbnb for cars. So if you've got a luxury or exotic car and you want to be able to use other people's cars the same, get somebody else to pay off your car. So really, really cool. Also the guys from Teen Road to Safety. These are the best driving school that I've come across in Southern California. Both James and Sophie, our kids, learned to drive with these guys, and James thought it was pretty cool. Little 15 and a half, 16-year-old kid going out in a Mustang, which is kind of cool. So those guys are on board as well. And also we have the guys from Classic Industries. Now Classic Industries are looking for full-time and part-time people to man their help phone line. So if you are a classic car or muscle car nut and you love talking about those cars, why not give those guys a call? You get paid for talking to other people about their classic cars. So kind of cool. All the information on those guys is on the website. Of course, the existing sponsors to Maguire's, to Polestar, and also Next Level Detailing. Love you guys. And also the guys from Pacific Air Cooled as well, with those great imported Volkswagen buses and Beetles. So that's the sponsor wrap. Let's go for a walk and check out some of these cool cars. Got a great range of merchandise at the moment. We still have just a few of the Foose Design and South OC Cars and Coffee shirts with money going towards Amy's Depot. White shirts, the new red ones, and another new design over here, some new red hats, black hats, and also we've still got some hoodies. We're going to get some more again next week as well. So if you want to wear the brand, don't forget to go to our website at southoccarsandcoffee.com, and then you can check out all the merchandise there, or just come along to the show and grab it here. So this is the sort of classic thing we love to see. Look at this Ford station wagon. It is the Tin Woody, as they were called, because they're actually painted wood finish on the side. This is what you took your family out in before the days of minivans and SUVs. This is awesome. Country Squire. Isn't that amazing? Look at the back seat. So hopefully you can see through the back window, you actually sit in these two opposing bench seats in the back. Isn't that awesome? What a great looking old thing. Great looking old car. Long too, man. Absolutely huge. Very cool. This very nice looking Mustang with that patina finish belongs to Ant Anstead. He said it was a one owner car, which is super cool. Love the steel wheels. Auto, great looking trim in it. Engine base really neat as well. So love seeing things like this. Just a cruiser, you know, not planning on doing any more than just cruising up and down PCH on it, which is super cool. Another stunning car. This has been a previous car of the week winner. Beautiful Roadrunner Superbird. These things are so long. They were game changers, of course, at NASCAR because the aero on it was so extreme that they were able to go so fast. And what a lot of people don't understand is that rear fin is actually adjustable. There is a screw there and you can actually change the angle of the rear fin. The ones that were built for the track, another piece of trivia is inside the trunk, there's actually a stainless steel cable that supports this underneath. So if the wing happens to get ripped off, it's actually still bound on the inside with that stainless steel cable. This one's running an auto. What a great looking old car. Absolutely love it. Super clean 62 Chevy here. Very, very nice. Instrumentation all done nicely, really nice interior. LS1 under the hood, engine base all done really neatly. Very clean looking car, very clean. Door handle's gone. Great colour combo too. Interior looks beautiful. At first glance, I bet a lot of people think this is actually a Willys Jeep, but in fact it's not. It's built by Ford. They did their own version of these. There are a lot of modifications that were different from the Willys, but to serve the same use, obviously, serving the army out there, getting people out in the field. Isn't this great? Great conditioned. All the authentic bits and pieces on it. That's a great looking thing. Still want to call it a Jeep, but it's whether we can or not, I don't know, because it's not made by Willys. So is this yours? So would we refer to this as a Jeep, or would we, it's still a Jeep, but it's a Ford?
We're all lowercase J.
Aha, interesting. So this was obviously built by Ford.
It is.
And what year is this?
45.
45, I should see it up there. Yeah, very cool. And how long have you owned it?
9 years.
That's awesome. Did you do all the restoration yourself?
I had some big help from
Well, the nice thing about it is very simplistic to fix, huh?
parts of any event.
Interesting. Are parts interchangeable between the Woolies and the Ford? Interesting. Isn't that great?
It's all built off the Willys blueprint.
Build off a Woolies blueprint. That's awesome. Great to see. Well, thank you for bringing it out. So this is like a rat rod meets Carmen Kia. It's really cool. Somebody's done a lot of work to this.
It's awesome.
Look at it. Very nicely done. Little bit of hammer work there, a little bit of rust down the bottom. But you know what? All adds to it, that's for sure. Here's the kind of stories I love about this show. This truck rolls in really shiny. Young guy and his dad in it, young guy driving it. He just got it. First car, he's just gone ahead. I looked at it and I said, you spent an hours polishing this, didn't you? And he goes, yep, and shining the tires. Isn't that great? So he's got his first vehicle, gone for a classic old GMC truck, and then just spent hours making it look the way it does. That is super cool. Great looking Bronco. Massive wheels and tyres. Great suspension. Look at that under the hood. Very neatly done. Nice interior, but kept it all very retro, which looks very cool except for the seats. What a great job. And interestingly, the canopy on the top actually looks like shade cloth, which is kind of cool. What a great looking off-roader. Worn winch on the front of it. Serious business. Very nice. great seeing classic cars and motorcycles at the show. Great example here. Look at this beautiful Kawasaki, this GPZ 1100. Tom, who looks after our motorcycles for us over here, was telling us, you said you had one of these when you first started riding or got your license?
I got my license on an 81, which does not have the front fairing on it.
Right.
This is an 82, and this is a fully restored with a few exceptions on it. This bike could probably go anywhere between $20,000 and $30,000 right now, fully restored.
Wow, we were talking about it before, about the only things that aren't original on this motorcycle, but the owner still has, is the it replaced the airbox with these air filters, and originally would have had you said a black exhaust on it.
Exhaust.
How cool. This thing looks like it's literally just been ridden off the showroom floor, and I can see why someone would pay up to 30 grand for it. Good find, Tom. Thanks for finding it out. So that's it for another week at South OC Cars and Coffee. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below. You'll get all the latest videos faster than everybody else. Just click the button below and make it easy for yourself. Big thank you to all of our sponsors, to Polestar, to Next Level Detailing, to Maguire's, to the new guys we've got on board, Pacific Air Cooled, Classic Industries, Share, and also Tent Road to Safety. Thank you so much, guys. We couldn't do this without you. Big thank you to all of our volunteers as well for giving up your time, and to the outlets of San Clemente and all of the stores who bring out the coffee and the donuts, like Ruby's, like Rockwell's. Big thank you to all of those as well. Make sure to support all the businesses in the outlets if you can. Hey, have a great week. We'll catch you back here next week for another South OC Cars and Coffee.